Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. Guys, on this channel we do product reviews and also some tutorials. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also smash that bell notification so you can be up to date with our latest videos. Now today is an absolute essential for you to have whenever you go to the gym. This is essential for your workout. When you go to the gym, the most important thing, in my opinion, being the gym rat, is your headphones or earbuds, whatever you prefer bringing to the gym. In my case, I tried out a lot. I have a lot of headphones, guys, but it's always hard to get that perfect balance between a good fit and good sound quality that's drowning out the background noise in the gym. I think I have it solved. Lightweight, perfect fit, and it drowns out the noise in the background of the gym. Let's go ahead and jump into this review. Alright, so here it is, the Tribit or Tribit X-Free 1 on the side of the box. It tells you that it's water resistant, 120 milliamp batteries, a microphone, magnetic connection. It is Bluetooth variant 4.1. You get about 10 hours of playback time, and it takes 2 hours to charge it fully right out the box. Also have a little QR codes on the side where you can get more information. Go ahead and open up the box. I gotta tell you, I love the small form factors, guys, especially something that you're bringing with you to the gym. Here's the user manual. Go ahead and get this user manual look over, guys, and make sure you check out everything. It's going to show you how to pair it up, going to show you how to change out your earbuds if you want to switch those up. All of the specifics is in your user manual. Read your user manual, people. Back to this case, a nice little case, man, nice small compact, something I can throw into my gym bag and just forget about it until I get to the gym. Inside of the case, you see that you have an extra set of earbuds and also a micro USB charger, a place to put it in your case. So not only is the case small, but it also keeping me organized, guys. That way I'm not losing my charging wires and stuff like that. Now here are the headphones themselves. Now right off the bat, guys, I'm going to tell you I love braided headphones, but by this being water resistant, I see why the wire had to be rubber. Now I was kind of shocked because it was light, but around the earbuds, the casing for the earbuds is metallic and it have a nice little weight to it, and I was very impressed by the angle of the earbuds. I've been noticing that lately, the past couple of years with these earbuds. They've really been focusing on the angle to make sure that you get a good fit in your ear, guys. So yes, digging that right there. Overall, a nice feel to it. And here's the housing where you have your microphone, guys. You have your spot where you charge it up, your volume up and volume down, double dash, track forward and track back. Again, if you're used to this form factor, you pretty much know that they have that one multi-function button that's usually in the middle right here that turns it off and on. And not only does it turn it off and on, it also helps you pair. If you go ahead and hold down that multi-function Bluetooth button for about 3 seconds, you're going to see that it's going to begin to alternate red and blue. Some of them alternate blue and white to let you know that it's in the pairing mode. Ours is blue and red. Now pairing it, you just simply turn on your Bluetooth enabled device. In a couple of seconds you're going to see it pop up and you pair, you're good to go. All right, guys, let's go bring it to the gym. Show you a little magnetic connection right quick. Now when I got to the gym, I want you guys to hear the background noise in the gym, and I want you guys to see these different motions that I'm going through. So I start off with the cables. I'm doing chest days. Now these are simple movements right here, no problem. I can tell you right now that the sound is good. It's drowning out all of the background noise. I decided to do a complicated movement when I jump up and they still stayed in my ear. Now my problem is whenever I lay down on the bench, my headsets always come out, but these are maintaining. Now here's a extreme look at that, all the way flat on the bench, and it's still maintained in my ear, guys. So overall, 5 stars out of 5. These headsets took a licking, kept on ticking. No matter what movement I did in the gym, they stayed in my ear, drowned out the background noise. The bass was good, the mids was good, the highs was good. I enjoyed my music. This is essential, a must-have. Hey guys, as always, thank you for watching. It's your boy Taking the Bathroom. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.